Hey guys, what's up? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the latest update for the HomePod, and this update is the HomePod 13.4.6 update. So you're probably wondering why there actually is a 13.4.6 update since the HomePod just had a 13.4.5 update last week. Well, the reason for that is just a security patch. So Apple had the Uncover JB, which was available for iOS 13.5. And now once a JB happens, such as the Uncover one, Apple has to update all of their devices and include that security patch. Now, there isn't a JB for the HomePod or anything like that, but they just had to make sure they patched it. So once again, under the Apple notes for this particular update, it says it's only for general improvements. And under Apple's release notes for 13.4.6, it says the update includes general improvements for stability and quality. So there's nothing too big about this update. It's only minor improvement. So the HomePod is just basically slightly updated, so there's nothing really new about this update. So it's just still worth getting just to make sure that your HomePod is up to date and it is as secure as possible once again. So that is basically what Apple did. So there's no new shortcuts. There's no new features such as handoff for the HomePod. It's all the same pretty much. So I highly recommend updating your HomePod. Sometimes there's some hidden features that Apple puts into these incremental updates. Once again, this was a small update, and I was able to update my HomePod using the Home app and then just doing a manual software update. You can also enable it to just be a regular software update that happens automatically over the air. So you have those options. So I highly recommend this update for the HomePod. Once again, it just makes it more stable and just general performance improvements. So thank you for watching this video on the HomePod 13.4.6 update. Please be sure to subscribe to the next video. Please smash the like button down below so you watched. Also be sure to check out all the other videos on my channel. Be sure to check out AppleCritics.com for the latest Apple news, and more. Like my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/AppleCritics. Follow me on Twitter at AppleCritics, Instagram at Instagram.com/AppleCritics, and subscribe for more great content. And thanks for watching.